The ultimate LATPRES days Team TEMBESI tutorial from 0 to Pro in 1 minute. If you've heard the name LATPRES Team TEMBESI and wondered what makes it special, this fast guide will bring you up to speed. Most people only see the excitement, but there's a whole structure behind events like this that keeps everything running smoothly. LATPRES events are all about competition, teamwork and community. They bring together players and fans to test skills, show passion and push limits. But here's what beginners often miss: being part of a team like TEMBESI isn't only about playing. It's about discipline, strategy, and supporting each other every step of the way. To go from 0 to Pro, start by understanding the basics. Respect the rules, stay prepared, and always practice with a purpose. Ask questions, learn from experienced members, and embrace the culture of improvement. The secret: every small step builds confidence. You won't believe how quickly progress happens when you combine passion with teamwork. Communication becomes sharper, performance rises, and soon, you're not just participating, you're competing at a higher level. Whether you're cheering, training, or dreaming of joining, remember this: success comes from unity. What makes this Team TEMBESI strong isn't just skill, it's spirit. Keep that energy, stay humble, and you'll be ready for whatever challenge comes next. More powerful tutorials are on the way, stay tuned.